All right, so we are getting ready to start here. We have another 50 seconds or so. And that's kind of a get in sync trade at 5177, but a lot can happen in 30 seconds. And it's kind of a small trade, isn't it? Yeah, very small trade. That's right up there at the high of the day at 83. Now, high of the day is at 88, so a little bit below the high of the day. And now we have a short. So you got a short trade at 5173. That's the first trade. Stops at 86. So that's a little bit below the high of the day. Very small adjustment if you're going to, I mean, it's a small trade if you're going to adjust it. Target 2 is only 10 ticks, 63. See if we can get our 10 ticks. Almost. Yeah. I hate small trades. Just like the earlier trade this morning, you can't do anything. You just got to let it run its course. Possible long, the histogram hasn't crossed up and over yet. And that would be a stop and adjust at 76 if that indeed occurs. Definitely finding support there at the 70-cent level. Usually a good sign when you get additional green setups. And there it is, full target, lock in your 1 tick. And the stop is now moved to actually 71, so you're really locking in 2 ticks. And it's just moved down again to 68. If you want to keep it at 69 above the 50, you can. It's moved again to 50, 61. I would keep it at 62 because of the spike on that bar. And now it's moved again a spike on a bar, but I would, well, it keeps moving faster than I can move it. So it's already down to 51. Cool. Keep going, baby. I'm tired of paying all that money at the pump. Down to 47. Oops. 47 and flat. Bing, bang, boom. Love it. You've heard me say this a million times. It's my favorite trade of the week. That and the Russell, but we've had multiple winning sessions now in a row. This is like the 3rd or 4th. I don't remember, but you can count on this. This is during a FOMC day and everything. So that's just following the plan. Nothing new, nothing to reinvent. A small little trade ended up being a nice big trailer, which is pretty cool. Anthony, you mean as far as, I'm sorry, I was focusing on my own trade, so I didn't see your question. Would I go to target 3? Well, I decided to go to target 2 and trail. That's what I did. I wanted to get my winner, and it was a small trade with Yellen and all that. I don't need to do too much, so I wanted to get my target 2, so I took that and then just followed the trailer down. And so 2 positions ends up with a nice trade, right? Yeah. Yeah, I mean, you could go to target 3 if that's what you typically do, but here's what I'm looking at. If this trade's going to work, you got the 50 that's going to curl down and push down and maybe cross over, and these are the beginnings of good moves. So with this kind of setup, I'm thinking, well, I'm going to stick with the trailer, and hopefully I get a good move, and I did. You know, it went to where maybe, based on our trade here, maybe where a 3x might have been, or a 4x, probably a 4x target. I mean, I was tempted to scalp out down, or to mark it out down in here and take advantage of the spike, but it looked like a bearish consolidation that could be heading lower, and I just didn't want to get out too fast and too soon and miss a bigger move. And then it just turned on a dime and zoomed up really quickly, and I was struggling just to get my stop in place because stupid Thinkorswim, the worst platform on the planet, is jumping all around. I'm trying to grab my handle and move. I hate trading with Thinkorswim. I am so sick and fed up with Thinkorswim. I still managed to do it. But there's no way to freeze the ladder from jumping around. It just jumps around. I'm like, it's not supposed to do that. I am trading with TradeStation also. I'm doing both.